Hi friends, welcome to my channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you an amazing Dum Aloo recipe that requires no cutting chopping, just simple dry ingredients. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make Dum Aloo. To make Dum Aloo, here I'm using some small baby potatoes, about 14 of them, and I have boiled them and peeled them. In a pot, add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, and as the oil gets hot, drop the boiled potatoes. Shallow fry the potatoes on all sides until they get nice golden color. The flame is on the medium, so just flip them as needed to make sure that they get golden color on all sides. They are done, let's take them out. The same oil will add about 1 big tablespoon of cumin seeds, and as they start to crackle, we'll add some garlic powder, about 2 teaspoons, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half a teaspoon of nutmeg powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and big chunk of red chili powder, about 5 teaspoons. Give everything a really good mix. Make sure that none of the spices get burnt. So we are also going to add some water, about half a cup. Saute the dry spices really well for few seconds. Add about 1/8 cup of besan or chickpea flour. Mix it well with all the spices. Now add about 1 cup of full-fat yogurt. Give it a really good mix. Flame is on the medium and we are going to cover and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. After about 2 minutes, let's open and check. Give it a quick stir, and now we are ready to add our fried potatoes. Give this a really good mix. Add salt to taste. I'm using about 1 teaspoon. Now we are going to add a cup of water since the curry is pretty thick. So give everything a really good mix. The flame is on the medium. Cover and cook it for about 7 to 8 minutes on a medium flame. After 8 minutes, let's open and check. Now start adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, some saffron strands that I had soaked in water, about 1 teaspoon of sugar, one of the main ingredients now, some Kasuri methi. I'm just going to crush with my hands and sprinkle it over. Give everything a really good mix. The flame continues to be on the medium. Notice that the curry has become pretty thick. So now what we are going to do is add some additional water, so about half a cup. Give everything a really good mix. You can check the seasoning at this time and add additional salt if required. Cover and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes on a medium flame. After about 3 minutes, let's open and check. Notice that oil has started to separate out from the curry and it's almost ready. Looks amazing and it's nice, creamy and thick. Switch off the flame and now we are going to serve it. Do give it a try with these easy steps to follow. Enjoy this Dum Aloo recipe with some rice, roti or a paratha. If you've enjoyed today's recipe, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.